Let us continue carbon family elements. In the carbon family elements, we will see about silicates. In the silicates, we have discussed one thing, orthosilicate. Orthosilicate formula is SiO4 4 minus. Its structure is Si O minus O minus O minus O minus, like this. It is tetrahedral. Silicon is surrounded by 4 single bonds. The 4 single bonds present around the silicon in tetrahedral form. Next type of silicate, pyrosilicate. We are taking pyrosilicate. Pyrosilicate formula Si2O7 6 minus. Si2O7 6 minus is the pyrosilicate formula. Here we will see, here 2 silicon atoms are there. Those 2 silicon atoms we will write like this. 7 oxygens. For each silicon, 3 oxygens will give. Remaining 1 oxygen we will give common for both the silicon. Minus 6 we will give for 6 oxygens as minus 1, like this. Now minus 1 oxygen will make single bond with the silicon. This oxygen will make 2 bonds, otherwise a double bond. The 2 bonds with the 2 silicons on left side and right side. This is called what in the sense pyrosilicate, we can say. This is called pyrosilicate. For pyrosilicate, which minerals exist in the form of pyrosilicate? That is one example is thought white. For this formula is Se scandium 2 times Si2O7. Hemimorphite for this formula Zn3 Si2O7 ZnOH twice water. This what means hemimorphite, we can say. In this one, this oxygen is shared by both the silicon atoms. Now, here in this Si2O7 6 minus, this oxygen, this center oxygen is shared by 1 silicate unit here, 1 silicate unit here. That means this oxygen is shared by 2 silicate units in the pyrosilicate. So next we will take single chain silicates. In the silicates, next type we will see, that is called single chain silicates. Single chain silicates we will see. The single chain silicates, how it will be there, that we will see. Now I will take one silicon atom. Before coming to this one, we will see this orthosilicate in another form. This structure we will write in another form. That is how we are writing in a simple form, that we will see. Silicon atom we will represent as a dot. This dot represents a silicon atom. Then this silicon is surrounded by 4 single bonds. These 4 single bonds form as a tetrahedral. In the tetrahedral, 2 single bonds present in one plane. Suppose these 2 single bonds present in a plane of screen. Third single bond present away from the screen. That is towards us. This is a single bond which is projecting towards us. Next single bond is projecting away from the screen. That is projecting rear of screen. This single bond projecting rear of screen. it is tetrahedral. Now this O minus is projecting rear of screen. That O minus we will write it as like this. That O minus we have written like this. So center one dot is there. That dot represents silicon. Here circle and minus we have given, that is called O minus, that is projecting rear side. Like that we have given. Next, this oxygen will give. This single bond we will write, and O minus we will write. This left side O minus we will write. Left side O minus. This right side O minus we will write. Like this we have written. This tetrahedral form we have written like this, simplified form like this. Then we'll write like this. This is not a bond, just we are giving. This is not a bond. This blue color is not a bond. Sir, SiO4 4 minus we have given like this. Next, pyrosilicate, how to give in this form, that we will see. Pyrosilicate. So now 2 silicon atoms are there. It is one silicon atom. It is another silicon atom. 2 silicon atoms we have given. Then each silicon is having rear side O minus. Rear side O minus. It is rear side O minus we will give. Here rear side O minus. Here rear side O minus. Next, this side one O minus. This side one O minus. For this O minus. For this O minus. One oxygen is common for both. One oxygen is common for both. This oxygen is shared by this silicon as well as this silicon. This silicate as well as this silicate. This SiO4 and this SiO4. Okay. Next, we'll give like this. This is just for it is not a bond. This blue color is not a bond. That blue color is not a bond. Okay, like that we have given. This is what in the sense pyrosilicate. So pyrosilicate we have mentioned like this. Sorry. Now we will go for single chain silicates. In the single chain silicates, first we will take silicon, then rear side O minus, top O minus, left side O minus, right side O minus. We have given. This is this blue color is not a bond. Okay. This one SiO4 unit. It is called one SiO4 unit. Next, we'll go for another SiO4 unit. Here one silicon, then rear side O minus, here O minus, here O minus, then this O is acting as a bridge between 2 silicon atoms. Okay. Now we will write like this. This blue line we are writing in order to indicate it is one SiO4 unit. It is one SiO4 unit, to indicate that only, for that sake only. It is one SiO4 unit. It is one SiO4 unit. This oxygen is sharing equally between this SiO4 unit and this SiO4 unit. So one oxygen is in sharing with the 2 silicate units, 2 SiO4 units. This oxygen is in sharing with the 2 SiO4 units. Okay. Next, SiO4 unit we will take. Here, one silicon. Here, rear side O minus. Rear side O minus. Top O minus. Right side O minus. Left side O. Now we will remove this minus charge. Next, we will represent it is one SiO4 unit. It is one SiO4 unit we will represent. So Like this, we will continue on either side. Here we will continue. Here continuation. Next, here continuation. Continuation like this. If you go like this, this is called a single chain silicate. It is continuing. It is continuing like polymer. Okay, this is called single chain silicate. In this single chain silicate, what is the simplest formula that we will see? Now we will take this SiO4 unit. In this SiO4 unit, the silicon gives for this unit full share. Sorry. This O minus gives full share to this unit. This then this O rear side O gives full share to this unit. Therefore, 2. This O gives half share to this SiO4 unit and another half share to this SiO4 unit. So this O gives half share to this SiO4 unit. Therefore, half. This O is in sharing with this SiO4 unit and this SiO4 unit. Therefore, it is giving half share to this SiO4 unit. Therefore, half share. Therefore, totally, if we see 3, we will get 3. This is -1 charge, here -1 charge, here no minus, here also no minus, so -2. It is SiO3 2 minus. This is the repeating unit in the single chain silicate, therefore n types. So for single chain silicates, repeating unit is what means SiO3 2 minus. Okay. Here in this SiO4 unit, 2 oxygens are in sharing with the neighboring SiO4 units. This oxygen is in sharing with the 2 SiO4 units. This oxygen also is in sharing with the 2 SiO4 units. Therefore, from this SiO4 unit, 2 oxygens are in sharing with the neighboring SiO4 units. For this single chain silicate, example is spodumene. Example is spodumene. For this formula is LiAl SiO3 twice. Next example is jadeite. For this formula NaAl SiO3 twice. N-statite. For this formula MgSiO3. Next, diopside formula CaMgSiO3 twice. CaMgSiO3 twice. Next, we will see about double chain silicates. It is single chain. Now we will see double chain silicates. Now we are seeing about double chain silicates. Double chain silicates we will take. In the double chain silicate, we will take one silicon atom. Here rear side O minus, here one O minus, here O minus is there, negative charge I am not writing. Why is it so? Later I will say. Here O minus, negative charge I have not written here. Next, we will give this blue color in order to say it is one SiO4 unit. Next, we will go for another SiO4 unit. Here silicon, here O minus. It is this silicon is making bond with this O. Next, here O minus, negative charge I have not given here. Here O minus, negative charge I have not given here. Next, this is one SiO4 unit. This one SiO4 unit. We will go for another SiO4 unit. Here silicon. Next we will write O minus. rear side O minus, it is bonding with this O, here O minus, here O minus. Now we will represent this is as one SiO4 unit. Next silicate, next SiO4 unit we will take here silicon. Next we will give O minus, we will give, it is rear side O minus, here one O, here O minus, here O minus. It is what means O minus. Here negative charge I have given. In some places I have not given. That we will see why is it so. Here we are giving this blue color in order to indicate this is one SiO4 unit. Next SiO4 unit we will see. Here one silicon. Next we will give rear side O minus. Here O. Here O minus. Then here O minus. Now we will give that blue color border in our, by saying that this is one SiO4 unit. Next silicon, then O minus we will give, here O minus, here O, here O, here O minus. Next we will represent this as one SiO4 unit. Next in this way this O is continuing with another neighboring silicate SiO4 unit. This O is bonding with the neighboring SiO4 unit. This O is bonding with the neighboring SiO4 unit. This O also bonding with the neighboring SiO4 unit. This is O minus. It is not bonding with the neighboring SiO4 unit. It is also O minus. It is not bonding with the neighboring SiO4 unit. Okay. This is called a double chain silicate. For this double chain silicate, another name is what in the sense amphibold. For double chain silicate, another name is amphibold, we can say. Another name is amphibold. Here, simplest this repeating unit we will see here. What is a repeating unit? In the sense, repeating unit will come like this. This is the repeating unit. Like this, repeating unit will be there here. So, this is the repeating unit in the sense, in this one, how many silicon atoms are there means 4 silicon atoms are there. That 4 silicon atoms we will take, Si4. Then oxygen we will see, first we will see full share. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Full share is 6. It is giving full share. Full share is 6. Now repeating unit is what in the sense, this is the repeating unit. From year to year is the repeating unit. For this double chain silicates. Sorry. Next, off share we will see. Off share in the sense, it is a then in the full share we will consider this also, because this is one oxygen atom, this is one repeating unit, in the sense this is we will take it, this we will take 1, 2, 3. That 3 will give separately we will represent. It is giving off share to this unit. It is giving off share to this unit. Then it is giving off share. It is giving off share. Therefore 2. So full share in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means minus. One which is having minus, no, that. Then bridge 1, 2, 3. That 3. Off share we will see this 1, this 2, this 3, this 4. Off share. Therefore 2. Therefore totally how many is there? See oxygen 9. So Si4 O11. This is 9 plus 2, 11. Negative charge here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative charge is 6. This is the repeating unit for double chain silicates. So double chain silicates means Si4 O11 6 minus. Si4 O11 6 minus we can say. In this case, how many oxygens are in sharing in the sense? In this SiO4 unit, 2 oxygens are in sharing with the neighboring SiO4 unit. In this SiO4 unit, 3 oxygens are in sharing with the neighboring SiO4 units. Here in this SiO4 unit, 3 oxygens are in sharing with a neighboring SiO4 unit. In this SiO4 unit, 2 oxygens are in sharing with a neighboring SiO4 unit. That means in this repeating unit, this top and down 2 SiO4 units are in sharing with the 2 oxygens with the neighboring SiO4 units. In this one, 3 oxygens are in sharing with the neighboring SiO4 units. Okay, so double chain silicates like this is there. For this double chain silicates, example is what means tremolite. Tremolite is an example for this. This tremolite formula Ca2Mg5, Ca2Mg5, Si4, O11, OH twice. This is a tremolite. Tremolite is example for this double chain silicates or amphiboles. Next we will see about cyclic silicates. Next we are going for cyclic silicates. Next we are taking cyclic silicates. We will take this cyclic silicates. We will say now. Here silicon. Then we will see O minus. Here O minus. Here O minus. Here O. Here O. Next, we will represent this as one SiO4 unit. Next, we will see here one silicon atom. It is bonding with O minus with this O. Here O minus. Here with O. Next, we are representing this as one SiO4 unit. Next, here one silicon. Here one O minus. It is one O. It is O minus. It is one O. Next, we will represent this as one SiO4 unit. One SiO4 unit. Next, here one silicon. Next, it is bonding with this O. Here O minus. Here O. Here O minus. We will represent this as one SiO4 unit. Okay. Next we will see. Next silicon atom. Then we will give O minus. Here O minus. Here O minus. Here O. Here one oxygen. This we are representing as one SiO4 unit. Next, silicon. Here O minus we will say, here O, here O, here O minus. This is one SiO4 unit. Okay. This is called a cyclic silicate. In this cyclic silicate, from each SiO4 unit, 2 oxygens are in sharing with the neighboring SiO4 units. Okay, here negative charge. Here negative charge is there. It is not continuing. It is not bonding with another SiO4 unit. Okay, this is called a cyclic silicate. For this cyclic silicate, what is a formula that we will see? What is a formula? We will see. We will take this one. We will take. This is one cyclic silicate we have given. For this cyclic silicate, what is the formula? We will see. Totally 6 silicon atoms are there. Therefore, Si6. Next, oxygen will see. Full oxygen will say minus oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So minus 1. The oxygen which is having minus 1 is 12. And then full share will see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 oxygens will take. That 6 oxygens. No negative charge. These 6 oxygens. Therefore, totally how many means 18. Therefore, we can say Si6 O18 minus charge you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus. Si6 O18 12 minus. 12 minus you will see. Si6 O18 12 minus. It is one cyclic silicate. Okay. For this Si6 O18 12 minus, example is what means beryl. Beryl will say example for this formula Be3 Al2 Si6 O18. Okay, this is what in essence beryl we can say. Example for this cyclic silicate. This cyclic silicate another form also there. That another form we will give. Here one Si, here O minus, here O minus, both side O like this. This will represent as one SiO4 unit. Next silicon, next silicon, next O minus, O minus, this side O, this side O, this side O. This will represent as one SiO4 unit. Next we will say here one Si. This is O minus. It is bonding with this O, this O, this O. This will represent as one SiO4 unit. It is one SiO4 unit. Okay. Now this is also cyclic silicate. This also cyclic silicate. For this general formula, we will see 3 silicon atoms. Therefore, Si3 O minus 1, 2, 3, 4. O minus is 4. This gives full share between full means between these two 1, 2. Minus charge will be there here and here also. Therefore, will represent here minus, here minus. Therefore, minus 1 oxygens are how many means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oxygens. This oxygen is not having minus 1. This is 1, 2, 3. That is 3. Therefore, we will get Si3O9. Negative charge is 2, 2, 2. 6 minus. Si3O9, 6 minus. This is also cyclic silicate. For this cyclic silicate, example is a benitoite. For this formula, BeTi Si3O9, Si3O9. Next, cataplite. For this formula, Na2Zr, Na2Zr means zirconium, Si3O9 dot 2H2. Next example, wollastonite. For this formula, Ca3 Si3O9, Ca3 Si3O9. Okay. Next we will see about sheet silicate. Next we are going for sheet silicate. We are taking sheet silicate. Sheet silicate. In this sheet silicate, we will take one silicon. This is O minus. This O is bonding with the neighboring silicate unit. This O is bonding with the neighboring silicate unit. This O is bonding with the neighboring silicate unit. Now we will give blue color border in order to say it is one SiO4 unit. Okay. Now here from this silicate unit, 3 oxygens are in sharing with the neighboring silicate units. Okay, this is a polymer. This sheet silicate, it is a polymer. Here, what is the formula for this? We'll say here one silicon atom is there. This oxygen gives full share to this silicate unit. That minus charge we will give full share. It is full share. Then this oxygen gives off share to this this SiO4 unit. This oxygen gives off share. This oxygen gives off share. Therefore, 1.5. So we can say SiO2 2.5, 2.5 minus. So let us multiply by 2 in order to make this as whole number. So that is Si2O5 2 minus. So sheet silicate general formula Si2O5 2 minus. For this example, we will see talc. Talc is the example. For this formula, Mg2 Si2O5 2 times, Si2O5 2 times, MgOH twice, MgOH twice. Next, colon. For this formula, Al2 OH 4 times, Si2O5. Okay. Next, we will go for 3-dimensional silicate. 3-dimensional silicate. 3-dimensional silicate we will see. 3-dimensional silicate in the sense how we will write. This is one silicon atom. This silicon atom is bonding with 4 other silicon atoms with the single bonds. This oxygen is bonding with 2 other silicon atoms with the single bonds, like this. So each silicon is bonding with 4 oxygens by single bonds. Each oxygen is bonding with 2 silicon atoms by single bonds. So this is making bond with silicon. It is making bond with silicon. It is making bond with silicon. It is also silicon. It is making bond with silicon, making bond with silicon. Like that it will go. So this is what in the sense this is a 3-dimensional polymer. 3-dimensional silicate, it is 3-dimensional polymer, we can say. This 3-dimensional polymer, what is the general formula that we'll see. Now we will take this SiO4 unit. In this we will take silicon 1. All the 4 oxygens are in sharing with the neighboring SiO4 units. Therefore, all the oxygens giving off share to this SiO4 unit. Therefore, oxygen is 2. This is only called sand SiO2. SiO2. Sorry. Like this 3-dimensional silicate present in sand, one example. Okay. In any other cases like this, is it present? Any other cases? Okay, one example is what means sand. So this 3-dimensional silicate SiO2, it is nothing but what in the sense sand, we can say. In the SiO2, what is the uses of this silica? This is SiO2, this is called silica. Is there any use for this silica? In the silica, 2 things are there. One is crystalline form, crystalline silica. Another one is amorphous silica. So now crystalline silica, what is that means? Quartz. Quartz we will take. Quartz is used as what in the sense piezoelectric crystal. It is used as piezoelectric crystal. It is used as piezoelectric crystal. What is the use of this one? It is used to make extremely accurate clocks. Clock. So using this crystal, clock will be made. Modern radio, television broadcasting, mobile radio communications. In these cases, these piezoelectric crystals are used. It is quartz. It is made up of quartz. This quartz is nothing but crystalline form of silica, crystalline form of sand. Okay. Next we will see silica gel. Silica gel. Next use of silica is silica gel. The silica gel will be placed in all the electronic goods. In the electronic goods, these packets will be placed. It is placed in the packet, and the packet will be placed in the electronic goods. Why? In the sense, this is having very good absorber of water, so that it will absorb moisture, so electronic goods will not get moisture. Because of moisture, electronic goods will not be affected because of silica gel. It is a drying agent. Then it is used as chromatography. It is used in chromatography. Then it is used as catalyst. Next we will see Kieselguhr. Kieselguhr we are taking. It is a amorphous form of silica. It is amorphous form of silica. It is used for filtration. It is used for filtration. It is used in filtration. Okay. Next, in the three-dimensional silicates, one we have seen SiO2. Is there any other thing? Yes. What is that means? In the 3D silicates, remove one Si4 plus ion. Remove one Si4 plus ion. Remove one in the sense, some of the Si4 plus ions you are removing. Instead of that, you are replacing Si4 plus by Al3 plus ions. Sir, we'll see that. First, we'll see three-dimensional silicate. Here, silicon is making bond with oxygen like this. Each oxygen is making bond with two silicon atoms. So like this, bonding is there in three-dimensional silicate. Now what you have to do? You have to replace Si4 plus by Al3 plus. Okay. In order to neutralize the charge, 1K plus you give it. Because Si4 plus means Si is having 4 plus charge, but aluminum is having 3 plus. So in order to keep neutrality, you give 1K plus. So by replacing Si4 plus by Al3 plus, we are getting a, what are the minerals in the sense? One is feldspar. Next zeolite. Next ultramarites. Next we are getting ultramarites. These are coming under what category in the sense? Three-dimensional silicates. These are coming under three-dimensional silicates, we can say. So in the three-dimensional silicate, from each SiO4 unit, all the 4 oxygens are in sharing. Now, this is about types of silicates. In the types of silicates, first one we have discussed orthosilicate. In that, no oxygen is in sharing. No oxygen is in sharing, we can say. In some cases, 1 oxygen is in sharing. In some cases, 2 oxygens are in sharing. Some cases, 3 oxygens are in sharing. Some cases, 4 oxygens are